Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new, hey girl, welcome to the channel. Today's video is a hair install. The wig was provided to me by RemyForte hair. They sent over their full lace wig, 180 density, 26 inches. This hair install is very different because, like I said, it's a full lace wig. Before we even start install, this is an essential part, an essential thing that you need to do when you're installing full lace wigs. You see the band that comes with the wig, the adjustable strap at the back, you have to take all of it out. Like, it has to be clean, clear lace inside the wig for the wig to lay flat, for you to have a perfect full lace wig install. That is step one, because you cannot have a flat full lace wig install without taking out the clips, the comb, the straps. Everything inside the wig needs to go. What I did after that was go ahead and bleach the knots of this wig, although it came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. But to get a perfect slick back look like the one I wanted, I needed to slightly over bleach the lace. Now, I wouldn't necessarily advise that you slightly over bleach this lace or even bleach it at all if you buy this wig, because it already comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. But I did want the lace to look as natural and as flat as possible, and to achieve that look, it needs to be slightly over bleached and slightly over plucked. If you're not a professional, if you're a beginner, quite frankly, you shouldn't be installing a full lace wig yourself if you're a beginner at all, because it's not the easiest to install by yourself a full lace wig because you can't get to your back. But again, you also shouldn't be slightly over bleaching your lace or over plucking your lace if you're not a professional. I just know the kind of look that I want, especially because I'm going for a bun and a ponytail with this particular wig every time I'll wear it. So I needed it to look as flat as possible. And to be honest with you, this is my second time installing a full lace wig ever in my life. The first time was horrible. I think I have a video of that on YouTube, but don't watch it, okay? It was horrible. I absolutely love this wig. I got a lot of compliments when I went out with this wig. How the wig originally came honestly played a huge role with how it came out, like how the end result came out for the installation, because the density is just perfect for a ponytail and a bun type wig thing. Because if the density is too much, if the hair is too full, you wouldn't be able to put it up to look natural in a ponytail. But the density is just perfect. When it comes to installing the lace at the back, I'm not going to lie to you, I was nervous about that because I didn't want to ruin the wig. I really loved how it looked, like how I plucked it, so I needed it to look good, okay? But obviously I can't see the back of my head, so I did need two mirrors to work like this. So that's why I would say this is not necessarily beginner friendly, but if you want to actually install this wig yourself, you absolutely can. Like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this and it came out amazing, turned out perfect. However you install the front lace of your wig should be the same that you would install the back of your lace. So if you use the adhesive for the front, you should be using the same adhesive for the back. If you're using glue for the front, should be the same for the back. Also, which is very important, when you're blending in your lace at the front, so when you're using the powder or foundation, whatever you use, but I would recommend powder, and the powder should be one shade darker than your skin tone. That blends in perfectly when you do your makeup or however it is. It blends better with your skin tone if it's one shade darker, the powder. So if you're using the powder on your lace at the front, you should have the same powder at the back. Whatever you do for your front is pretty much the same you do for your back, and just make sure you're taking your time with the process because it is a little bit time consuming. But this particular install honestly didn't take up as much time that I thought it would. When it comes to the front of the lace, it's pretty much the same process that I would do normally for all my wigs. But one thing I have to mention about this lace is how melted, how thin it is. Even when I cut off the excess lace, you could see that I had a bit of, like, you know, the white stuff, which is normal when you cut off the lace. It's like an extra lace that is not melted, or let's say picks within the glue or the adhesive that you use. So you just need to go back in with your melting spray, and if it's a good lace, it will melt right into your skin. And this one did not disappoint me at all. And then I went ahead and I fixed the over bleached parts of the wig. It wasn't even that obvious, but I could see it. Like, I know what I did to the wig, so I could see the spots that needed to be filled in, and I just went ahead with mascara as per usual. And I initially had that thought to do it when I was bleaching the lace. Like I said, if you are not skilled you don't know how to install wigs, bleach wigs, all of that, lace things, don't do it, okay? Don't do it, because you're not going to like it. So just let the professionals do it, or you just leave the lace as it is. You don't have to over bleach it, because quite frankly, you don't need to, right? And then I went in, used a powder. The same powder I used for the back of the lace is the same I use for the front of the lace. Like I said, the same thing you do at your back, you do at your front. So it all blends in when the flash is on. I didn't really do any styling to the hair, because like I said, this is going to be a very simple wig in my wig collection. This is just going to be for ponytails and bun. So I straightened the wig, and pretty much that was it. This wig is absolutely beautiful. It is stunning. I have a picture of it on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram to see it. Instagram actually saw it first, because this is obviously later on. But yeah, this wig is melted. The lace is melted. It feels like my natural hair. Honestly, it just feels like my natural hair. Is so lightweight as well. So I would 100% recommend this wig. This is one of my best installs for this year already. More to come in the year, but this is already one of my best installs and best wigs for this year. It is so natural. It is so good looking. It is so lightweight. I'm going to have all the links to this wig in the description box below, and I highly recommend that you check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. By the way, if you have any questions regarding this hair install, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, and you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey, so everybody say